Hi, welcome to the shiz. No, I haven't made a video in a while because I've just been thinking of different ideas and whatnot, but I actually meant to do a review of these tiles that I got from SnapFish. So I didn't really know what I was getting, but just please be aware that these are foam. So not metal or anything like that. They come with these magnets that you're supposed to be able to put one magnet on the tile and then one magnet on your wall. And then you can rearrange if you have multiple tiles that you can change out easily and just it magnetizes. Be aware though that, and it does say in the description, it says it's not good for textured walls. Which, so if you have eggshell or anything like that, this adhesive, I mean, just the magnet isn't gonna stick. We actually were going to put the tiles up here and we put them up. They lasted about a day and they were falling down, which was really disappointing because we cleaned the wall and everything and it just did not hold. So what we actually did was we put them up here because we have this little lip here in our kitchen. So we put them up there with the rest of the other little things. But yeah, so let me get one down and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's about like a 1/2 inch thick. And it's just foam. So there's a little flex to it. So if it falls, it can get really dinged up easily. So yeah, make sure that it's gonna even stick to your wall. So really only flat walls to where that adhesive it will stick well. Or maybe use something different. We just didn't feel like figuring it out. It's decent. It's like 8x8. You know, I got it for a couple bucks. It was on sale. This picture wasn't that great a quality to begin with, but I think it looks really cute. And for it, you know, like it doesn't need framed or anything. You know, you just put it up there. And two, this is when I really wish I had taken a video whenever I unboxed it, because these magnets, so the magnet itself is really decent, but there was no instructions as far as where to put them. So we just put it up here, and it came with 2 magnets, and one had a clear sticker on it and the other one had a white one. No instructions as far as which should be stuck to this or the wall, so I don't know if one may be different or not. I forget which side we used for that. But yeah, no instructions anyway, so I don't know. But it looks really cute up there. Just wanted you guys to know that. I mean, I would recommend if you're looking to just put it up there like this. But if you're trying to stick it on the wall, I don't know about that. Alright guys, well, hopefully I get more stuff to you soon, and have a great day.